Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10 lines on Maharana Pratap in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Maharana Pratap was a brave Rajput warrior king of Mewar in Rajasthan, India. Second line is he fought valiantly against the Mughal Empire, upholding Rajput principles of honor and valor. Third line is known for his military prowess. He led several battles against Emperor Akbar. Fourth line is his legendary horse Chetak is remembered for its bravery in battle. Fifth line is despite facing challenges, he never submitted to Mughal rule. Sixth line is he was a patron of art, culture and literature, promoting Rajput traditions. Seventh line is his life and legacy continue to inspire generations with his indomitable spirit. Eighth line is he is considered a national hero in India, honored for his sacrifices in defense of his kingdom. Ninth line is his legacy remains etched in history as a symbol of valor and courage. Last line is he is revered as a legendary figure who stood for Rajput pride and resilience.